Mackenzie, what are you doing? Did you get that for Christmas from Grandma? Woohoo! Hang on! You should probably be behind her in case she's not hanging on. Go, baby! Go! Go!
Go get him. Go get him.
Push the button. Push the button. Steer her over to that hump, please.
Go get him. Hold on here. Hold on here. Push the button. Go get him. Go get him.
Push the button.
Push the button. Go get him.
Hang on. Hang on and push the button. Yeah, there we go. Woohoo. She keeps going backwards. Whoa. Push the button. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can't run over the toy.
Wheelie. It's a wheelie.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Hold it down. Hold it down.
We're totally teaching our baby to be fat. We should put her on a bicycle where she actually has to work. Hang on. Good job. All done? All done?